you know that the furniture you choose to go in your home can have a profound effect on the organization in your home? Stay tuned, I'm going to explain why. Welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by my channel, welcome. Thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Pam and I'm a professional organizer, and on my channel I like to talk about all things organized. Okay, in today's video I want to talk about how the furniture we choose to bring into our house can have a very profound effect on how much organization we achieve in our homes. And there's 4 types of furniture that I want to talk about in this video today. Number 1 is open shelf media consoles. Now they may look really streamlined and sleek and everything like that, but think about what a media console holds. It holds media equipment. What does media equipment have? Lots and lots of cords. And let's talk about the gaming consoles and the games that go with those gaming consoles. What happens is I've been in so many homes where people have these beautiful open shelf consoles for their TV to sit on, and then you see this sea of just cords and all sorts of stuff behind it that just take away the organized feel. And where they're open shelves, you often can't store the things you need for all the media you have. So be careful when you are going out to pick out a media console. Think about what is going on or in that console. And while you're at it, think about your own personal tastes. Do you like seeing all the sea of cords behind a console like that? If you don't, if you're like me and I like a sleek look, I don't like to see cords, period, you might want to select a console that has doors that hides the cords behind it. Okay, so that's number 1. The second piece of furniture that I want to talk about is our office desks. If you are looking for optimal organization, you really want to avoid desks without drawers. Now, I get the idea of how sleek and nice one of those glass top desks look, and I will say I had to buy something myself. This desk has no drawers. It was just a shelf, but there were other circumstances that I had to go with this desk. And when I knew I selected this desk, you can believe that I got a lot of cord bundlers, and I even purchased a file cabinet that the top drawer is where I could keep all my desk supplies neat and organized. But normally, if you're looking for organization, go for a desk that has drawers in it. You will thank me in the future. The third piece of furniture I want to talk about that can often fight you achieving organization in your home are glass top coffee tables. Glass top coffee tables, while again, beautiful pieces of furniture, I will not argue that at all. If you are looking for organization, it will fight you. There's no place to put anything, okay? The glass tops always need extra cleaning because they get every little fingerprint on it. And if you have kids in your home and you want some type of organization, a coffee table with drawers is your friend. It'll help you hide the TV remotes. It'll help you hide the gaming remotes. It'll help you hide extra magazines or reading materials. It just provides you extra storage. So again, if you were looking for organization, a glass top coffee table is going to fight you. But then again, if you're living alone and there's no one there to create a mess, go for it. It's a beautiful piece of furniture. And the fourth one I talk about isn't furniture per se, it's more of a design choice, and that is the open floating shelves in kitchens. If it's organization you want, floating shelves are going to wreak havoc on your organization goals. When you see those beautiful pictures with those open floating shelves in them, they don't have a lot of dishes on them. They have maybe a set of 4 of a few items. And that makes that picture look beautiful, and it makes the overall organization kind of look beautiful. However, many of us need more than 4 plates to use in a day, more than 4 cups to use in a day, and what happens is when you put a full set of dishes on those floating shelves and a full set of cups and a full set of bowls and all of a sudden it starts looking very cluttered. That sleek, beautiful floating shelf is no more. Okay, it's a cluttered mess. And here's another thing to think about. If you have an open shelf, there's going to be a lot of dust laying on that. And now you got to take off all your dishes, the bowls, the cups, and everything to dust it and then put it all back on. It's a lot more work, it's a lot more upkeep, and unless you only use 4 dishes a day, it's not going to be organized like they show in the pictures, okay? So try to avoid that if organization is your goal. Get those good old cupboard doors where you can hide a whole lot of stuff behind it, okay? So those are the 4 furniture choices that really can derail your organizing goals. So just keep those in mind the next time you are shopping for furniture. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below. And if you have any questions about organizing in your home, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to take a look at them and maybe even do a future video on them and help you out. Till next time, take care. See you later.